Most travelers assume travel insurance is just for emergencies. But here's the surprising truth. Medjet is different. It's focused on medical evacuation and repatriation, which can save lives and money when traveling internationally. Today, I'm sharing my usage experience. Medjet provides coverage for emergency medical transport, hospital transfers, and repatriation to your home country. It's ideal for travelers, expats, and digital nomads who want peace of mind far from home. Most people get this wrong by thinking standard travel insurance covers all transport needs. Many policies don't include medical evacuation, which can cost tens of thousands of dollars. Medjet ensures you can access quality care anywhere in the world. You won't believe what happens next. Signing up was easy online, and I could manage coverage and membership digitally. The service offers global hospital coordination and can arrange air transport if needed. Coverage includes medically necessary transfers, physician coordination, and hospital admissions. Some plans also offer family coverage and support for pre-existing conditions under specific terms. Now the downsides. Medjet doesn't cover routine medical care, lost luggage, or trip cancellations. Membership fees are higher than standard travel insurance, but the focus is on high-value evacuation coverage. The surprising truth about Medjet is that it's specialized. For high-risk travelers, adventure trips, or extended stays abroad, it's invaluable. For casual travelers, standard insurance may suffice. So who should use Medjet? Anyone traveling internationally who wants medical evacuation protection and access to coordinated care. It's especially useful for expats, remote workers, and travelers in remote locations. If this review helped you understand Medjet travel insurance, subscribe for more honest travel insurance reviews before planning your next trip abroad.